Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video I want to show you how you can take design for manufacture, DFM. So this is another thing you have to know as a PCB designer. So you have to go to the design. Of course I'm using EasyEDA, right? So you have to check design role, circuit, and another thing you have to check before submitting your circuit, your PCB to manufacturer, you have to check DFM, design for manufacture, right? Some people they don't care, but this thing it is easy and they have the free online platform. You have to use it. Go to design, check DFM, and then you have to upload JBL file, right? So you have to go there and then go to the export fabricate file, and then export. Yes, you have to check DSL first. File already is downloaded, and then go here and then upload it. This one. You see here, then you go to the other thing you have to check is SMT, design for manufacture. If you want, you can check this one. I will show you, right? Or you can do it by yourself. So then you have to go here. You see, here they give us the analyzing our project. They check everything, They check we have the width of track already. It's good. We have the red one is danger, means air. The orange is warning. Green is good. So here we can check our track width. All have good width, right? So the pad is 2, it's okay. All is good. Here ring is okay. You have the true forward to the SMD. You have warning, right? You have the good and the warning. 11 warning, it's okay. As you designer, you don't care to the warning sometimes. So, and then we have a lot of dents here on the side screen to the pad. So you have to go to the data and then you check. And then you have to check if there is your error, you can correct it. For example, here when you correct this one, okay, you can correct it or no, because this error is not done by me. It's done by the footprint for the manufacturer. I'm done designing the footprint. This footprint designed by the manufacturer of this switch. So this one is not my error. You can skip, you can ignore this one. But if you make your error, you can correct it, right? Because if you try to change anything here, you will suffer for fixing the component, right? And then close it, and then you go back here, and then you check everything. Slot, see here in this one. Let me show you. This one is a USB, right? And then you see the width is small, but this width we don't have anything to on it. You can't extend this width because this width is designed by the manufacturer, right? So you see, that one is telling good, the one is danger, warning, and good. and then you can check if it is like the track with or the something you put in a long way, you think you did by yourself, you have to correct it, right? So I think you learned something good as the PCB designer. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.